What's cracking, guys? Vitaxtrong, honest review. Alright, I've been using this for a month now, and I realized that there is no English review on this. So if you want to buy, you've been going around, you've been searching for all the supplements that you want to find, and you came across this and you were thinking, "Wow, the price is not bad. Should I buy? Should I not buy? I should go on YouTube and get a review on it." I'm gonna give you guys an honest review. Stay tuned. Right, so as you can see, it comes in 4 flavors, right? 4 flavors. I don't know if you guys can see. Alright, it comes in 4 flavors. You have chocolate milkshake, you have vanilla ice cream, strawberry blast, and naturally awesome chocolate. So the outlet I went to, it had naturally awesome chocolate, and I bought that one. Alright, so this is the 10 pound bag. Alright, it's around 4.5 kilos, and it lasts around, they say it lasts around 60 days, so 2 months. I've been using it for a month now. It's good. Alright, I don't have any bowel problems or any constipation or anything. Sometimes you take in a protein, then it's like it's shitty, you have constipation or you have diarrhea or yada yada yada. So yeah, Vitaxtrong naturally awesome chocolate. It's the best part of this protein. Alright, the best part of this protein, honestly to you guys, I'm telling that it uses stevia. Alright, it uses stevia as a natural sweetener. If you realize, most of the protein in the market, they use sucralose or aspartame. Alright, there is three. Alright, just three natural sweeteners, alright, or artificial sweeteners as you would call it: stevia, aspartame, and sucralose. Those are the three main ones you can find. Even in for example, if you drink Coke Zero or Coke Light, they use aspartame. Alright, you chew sugar-free chewing gums, they use aspartame. Alright, just read the labels, they put it there, aspartame. Right, so for this naturally awesome chocolate, it's the only flavor which they use stevia. Alright, for strawberry blast, for the vanilla, and for the chocolate milkshake, they do use sucralose and aspartame. And yeah, so the serving is 2 grams of fat, 26 grams of protein, and 3.5 grams of carbs. Alright, the 3.5 grams of carbs, you have 2 grams of dietary fiber and 1 gram of sugar, which is crazy low. And yeah, so there is 0 grams of trans fat, and there is 0 spiked aminos. Alright, so this is like a 100% whey isolate. They recommend you to take around 4 scoops a day, but if you already are going to get a lot of amount of protein from staple food, from meat, alright, then you don't really need to take 4 scoops a day. I will talk to you guys about all of this, but this video is primarily about a review on Vitaxtrong's 100% whey protein, and I will just keep it that way. If you want to know more about nutrition, you want to know should you buy or should you not buy protein, or what type of supplements you need to buy, is it worth your money, anything, just comment below. I will cover it up, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.